impressive. So yeah, YouTube, what's up? It's been a couple months. I've been off the grid a little bit. Went through a big move across state lines. So I'm no longer living in California, although I am riding the motorcycle in California right now, believe it or not. I rode back across the border today. We're heading over to the ocean. This will be the first time I've ridden inland to the coast on a motorcycle. So interesting. Anyway, the reason I've been out of the loop for a little bit is, like I said, going through the move, and I just didn't really feel like getting the gear together to do a GoPro video for YouTube. Just too much going on. You know how it is. You know what I'm saying. But anyway, I did have some recent activity on the channel. I had a couple subscriptions, new subscribers, comments on my video, and it was all because Easy Rider left me a shout out on one of his Sunday shout out videos. So I'm gonna put a link in the description to his channel. Go check it out, give him a sub. He rides his Harley through the deserts of Arizona, up into the mountains in Arizona, and it's some really pretty scenery. I've got a soft spot in my heart for the desert. I used to live in the desert, and I just love the landscape. So check out his channel, and thanks Easy for giving me the shout out. We're cruising right now on Highway 199 from Oregon down into California, then over to the coast. I think we're going to go through some redwoods on this road as well. There's a Redwood State Park coming up. Then we'll just hang out on the edge of the ocean for a little bit, and then probably head back. So yeah, I'm only about an hour and a half from the coast now, where I live in Oregon, so this could be a more frequent trip. Getting into some twisties now. Wow, this road is in great shape. Looks like new pavement. That's nice. See if we can get a wave up here. Oh yeah, a lot of motorcycles out today, and it couldn't be any other way really, because it's a perfect day. Mid-90s will be the high probably. Getting cooler as we head to the coast, obviously. Twisty road, fresh pavement. What's not to like? Wow, we are deep in this canyon. This is crazy. They even got a road up here. One thing that sucks about these twisty mountain roads in the mountains with the rivers and the scenery with the destination at the end is when you are riding them on a weekend, there's a ton of traffic. We got a bunch of RVs. They're obviously headed to the coast to camp for the weekend. It's Saturday morning right now. So you kind of get stuck in the traffic, and there's nothing you can do about it because there's nowhere to pass. And it's not just one slow vehicle, there's numerous slow vehicles. So, but hey, slow down and enjoy the ride, you know what I'm saying? Oh, here it looks like we can pass. Check it out. course, all the RVs speed up on the downhill. We're about 10 miles from the ocean right now, and there's been a very significant drop in temperature. It's much cooler. I bet it's 20 degrees cooler than what it was just 10 minutes ago on the ride. We're kind of losing elevation rapidly down here in the canyon. Good stuff. Feels good. Well, we're on 101 heading south out of Crescent City. I had some GoPro issues there. It froze, so I'm hoping I didn't lose a lot of footage up to this point. We'll see. But looks like we got a vista point. Just want to get a good shot of the ocean to prove that I was here. That's the ocean over there. It's all fogged in. We'll go up a little higher before we turn around, see if we can get a better shot. That is the ocean through the trees over there, but hard to see with all the fog. Alright, still pretty fogged in, but you can sort of see it over there. That's the Pacific Ocean. Or there's a billion people here right now, so if you're looking for solitude, this is not the place. I stopped here earlier, hung out a bit. I'm not going to stop again. The GoPro was on the fritz, but anyway. Big beach, ocean, lots of fog, and it's cold. Good stuff. I'm gonna head back inland to the Jedediah Smith Redwood State Park. Kind of hike around the redwoods a little bit before heading back home. So we're leaving town on our way out of Crescent City, heading back inland. I don't know if I could ever live on a coastal town like this. It's too cold. It's too foggy at times. There's always that sort of damp chill in the air from the ocean. I mean, I like visiting the ocean, but I'm just not sure I'd ever want to live directly on the coast. Alright, we're cruising back through Jedediah Smith State Park here in California. Look at all these ferns. These big ass trees, redwoods. Good stuff. I'm gonna record the opposite direction. I had some great footage coming the other way, but I'm not sure if it took or not, because when I got to Crescent City, the GoPro was all effed up. SD card error, not sure what went down, but I put a new battery in it and it appears to have fixed itself. So it's a little warmer now than it was earlier in the morning. I was freezing coming through this section earlier. Look at these trees. Holy moly. Massive. Just waiting for an Ewok to come stumbling drunk out of the woods. Look at this tree. Holy smokes. I'm gonna try and find a pullout so that I can get a photo with the bike in front of one of these trees, just to give you an idea of how big they are. Cool. I think I got an Instagram worthy shot. It's the Smith River. It's beautiful. Big gorge down there. Let's see if we can get a better angle. From here to about a mile downstream or so, it's just all rocky gorge like this. Pretty cool. That's a nice bike. Holy smokes. That's a keeper. Got this new Cortec tank bag. It's pretty slick. It's magnetic. So I can put a bunch of useless shit in it that I don't need to carry with me. This is one really pretty stretch of river. I gotta stop. I gotta stop. Might be time to take a photo. Good stuff. Heading back up into the mountains. As much as it's necessary to take a trip to the ocean, feel that cool ocean air every now and then, I'll always love riding up into the mountains more than anything. On a dirt bike or on a street bike. Back inland now, and I can't believe how much hotter it is than it was just 30 minutes ago. What must be a 30-degree temperature shift. Like 45 minutes ago I was freezing, wishing I had another layer. Now I'm wishing I could strip down to a t-shirt. Pretty awesome how within an hour you could hit all kinds of different microclimates around here. Alright YouTube, I think I'm going to cut it off here. It's been a long day on the bike with not much time off the bike. Nice little refreshing trip to the coast through the redwoods. Now we're heading back home through the mountains. Great day on the bike. So thanks for watching YouTube as usual. Stay tuned for more videos. I hope to put out some more content now that I'm settled down, have a little more extra time to get out and about on the bike. So hey, thanks for watching, ride safe, see you soon. Alright, going through the tunnel one last time. Here we go. Yeah, baby.